Hi everyone. So today I had created application that can wish for a Holi festival, and this is the wishes from my side. And this is the button which throws a color on you, and as well as it will play the audio in background. If you this is the clear button. If I click on this, it will clear all the colors that has been thrown. Let's start. So this is the color button. It is throwing on you. If I click anywhere, it will randomly select a color and throw on you. And if I click on the clear button, it will clear the UI as well as stop the audio. This is an inspiration from the Google, where there is a color palette here. If I click on this, it will throw on you, and if I click on drop, it will stop. In the same way, I have created my own application like this. That's it. Thank you.